Hi, Jada.
Hello po, Miss Aster.
Tita Aster.
Tita Aster po.
Yan yung anak-anakan mo yung parents ko.
Tama po.
Ay, parents mo pala.
Yes, lalo na po yung mom ko po.
Yes.
Prefer na natin.
Yung parang sila yung artist ko noon sa Outwards.
Oh, wow. Full circle moment po.
Yes, of course, I will. Yung pangalan yung request ko na ma-interview kita one-on-one. Anyway, Jada, I'm so happy to finally see you here at Viva.
Yes po.
Years ago, when you were just very new in the business, I actually talked to your parents if I can co-manage you with Viva. Unfortunately, they had other plans, so they signed you up with Star Magic.
Yes po.
Diba? Nag-Warrior Stone ka pa, nag-Rise Artist ka pa. And then, my question is, why finally Viva?
Well, gaya po nga ng sinabi niyo po, di ba, I've been doing this for quite a while and syempre po nakapag-explore din po ako sa industriyang ito. Pero sa akin po, why Viva? Kasi in-acknowledge ko po yung expertise nila. I think, yun nga, parang sobrang nag-swap in terms of sa timeline na gusto kong tupagin po dito sa career ko po at this point na yung perfect balance ng acting and singing. And syempre po, I mean, lalayo pa ba tayo? Sa track record ng Viva, they're very good with managing both singer, actresses, and multimedia personalities, and that's exactly where I want to be. So that's why Viva. Yun nga po, this has been a long time in the making po. It's so nice na finally nagbunga din lahat ng mga meetings namin with sila Boss Vic.
You're so lucky. Kasi si Boss Vic, bihirang-bihira yan lumabas ng kanyang
I've heard po.
tanggapan sa Viva Oris.
Maraming salamat po,
Very
Boss
proud.
Vic. Yes.
Okay. Are you crossing over to acting as well? Ngayon nasa bakuran ka na ng Viva?
Opo, yes, I'm definitely, I've dabbled in acting before, pero ngayon, ang exciting po ng chapter ng buhay ko na to, kasi parang ito na yung point na mahahanap ko na yung perfect balance ng singing and acting, and I think Viva is the perfect management and team to help me do that.